So guys, this session we are going to have a discussion about working with what we have said, local variable, global variable, non-local keyword, globals keyword, globals of function, and closure variable. We will talking about this particular thing. Really require very good attention, my dear friend. Kindly put your attention. Let me write what do you mean by local variable. See, here is the word. Just a variable which is declared within a function. A variable which is declared within a function. The variable can be used in that function only. Call it as what we have in local variable. A variable which is declared within a function. The variable can be used in that function only. Call it as what we have in local variable. So, okay, coming to what we have in, this is about local and global variables. So here, just a small example. This is about what we have in local variable. So kindly put your attention, my dear friend. DEF, my fun. I defined one function here. See, here x equal to 10. A variable which is declared within a function, the variable can be used in that function only called as what local variable. A variable which is declared within a function, the variable can be used in that function called as what we have in local variable. Now you can observe this, my dear friend, that is actually this is called what we have in defining the function. Defining the function. Once you define the function, until unless you call the function, the logic will not be executed. But calling the function is like this, my fun. So what is going to happen here is whenever the function is called, the control will be jumped from here to there, and it will execute all the series of statements associated with that, and the control will come out. This is the general flow. But whenever the function is called, the control will be jumped from here to there, in the line number 4, we are requesting the PVM to get the value of what x. In the line number 4, we are requesting the PVM to get the value of x. Then immediately what the PVM will do then? So PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x. PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x within the myfun. So PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x within the myfun. As it is declared or not declared, simply it will be accessed. Control S. When you run this, then go to the run menu and click on run module. You can see that x value is what 10. Very fortunately, a variable which is declared within a function, the variable can be used in that function. Call it as what local variable. But can I use this variable outside of the function? Absolutely no. But in the line number 8, what really I am writing from outside of what I have outside of my fun. Outside of my fun, I am requesting my PVM to get the value of x. In the line number 8, I am requesting my PVM to get the value of x. Then what the PVM will do then? And immediately PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x. The PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x outside of the my fun. But have you declared any variable with the name of x outside of the my fun? No. As it is not declared, simply you will be getting what name error. A variable which is declared within a function, the variable can be used in that function, call it as what local variable. The variable cannot be accessed from outside of the function. But in the line number 8, you will be getting what your friend just a name error. So when you run this, you will be getting what your friend name error in the line number 8. I hope now you guys got the point clear area about what do you mean by local variable. Right. See, going to the next important thing is global variable. See, what do you mean by global variable? Just watch on the screen. I am going to further beautiful discussion. Come on, dear friend, just a DEF. Here, only I define one function, my fun one. Okay, so here in the my fun one, this is what dear friend, just a my fun one. I am requesting my PVM to get the value of x. The same fashion, DEF, my fun 2, I am defining another function, then print. So print, what I am asking is my fun 2, I am requesting my PVM to get the value of x again. So here now I define two functions. After defining the function, you must call that functions as I said you, my fun 1 and my fun 2. I define these two functions like this, my friend. But in this case, a variable which is declared above all the function, above what your friend outside of all the function is called what you know is a global variable. Global variable means a variable which is declared outside of all the function. The global variable can be accessed throughout the program. Throughout the program that can be used anywhere else in the code. So coming to what your friend, just in this particular case, you're requested to check with this point, friend. In the line number 10, In the line number 10, whenever I call the my fun one, the control will be jump from here to there. And in the line number 4, we are requesting the PVM to get the value of x. Then what the PVM will do then? Ultimately, PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x in the my fun one. So first of all, PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x in my fun one. So is that variable x is there or not there? Not there instead of the my fun one. Then immediately it will ensure the existence of the variable x where outside of the my fun. So it will search for the existence of the variables or global area or the outside of the what your friend my family. But they are not there. As it is declared, simply it is getting accessed. Getting accessed. Coming to what your friend, when I call the my fun to, the control will be jump from here to there. In the line number what your friend in the line number 7, we requested just a PVM to get the value of x. Then what the PVM will do then? Ultimately, PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x in my fun too. But have you declared any variable with the name of x in -2? No. Then immediately it won't give you any other, it won't give you any other. Rather, PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x outside of all the function. The PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x outside of all the function, meaning it will search for the existence of the variable in global scope. But there or not there, as it is declared, then it is ultimately accessed. Let me say this program global. Go to the run menu and click on what your friend run module. You can see the result. That is what your friend just my fund one existent, my fund two existent. Meaning, see, so can I use the variable outside? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes, my dear friend. From what your friend from outside of all functions, outside of all functions, I want to print the value of x. Yes. In the line number 12, we are requesting the PVM. In the line number 12, we are requesting the PVM to get the value of x. Then immediately PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x outside of the what you friend, outside of all the functions. In the line number 12, we are requested the PVM to get the value of x. Then what the PVM will do then? Ultimately, PVM will ensure the existence of the variable x outside of all the function, meaning it will search for the existence of the variable x in the global scope. But as it is there or not there, of course it is existed. Simply it is getting accessed. Control S, going to the run menu and click on run module. Your code is what your friend executed. Hope you all guys got the point clear. My dear ladies and gentlemen, a variable which is declared within a function, the variable can be used in that function, call it as what local variable. But global variable means what? A variable which is declared outside of all the function. A variable which is declared outside of all the function, the global variable can be accessed throughout the program. So this is what exactly the difference between local variable as well as what you friend just a global variable. That is what exactly local variable and global variable.